Most people go through life hoping that things will just fall into place. But hope isn't a strategy. What happens if you lose your job, face a sudden emergency, or hit retirement without enough savings? The truth is, without a financial plan for the future, you're navigating life blindfolded. In this video, we're going to explore why having a financial plan is not just smart, it's essential for your peace of mind and long-term success. So, what exactly is a financial plan, and why does it matter? Let's start with this. A financial plan is your personal roadmap. It outlines where you want to go and how you'll get there financially. But it's more than just numbers on a page. It's a strategy that aligns with your goals, dreams, and yes, even your unexpected twists in life. The importance of having a financial plan for the future can't be overstated, and here's why. Imagine building a house. You wouldn't start with the roof, right? You need a solid foundation first. Your financial plan works the same way. It starts with knowing your current financial situation, your income, your expenses, your debts, and your savings. This gives you a clear picture of where you are so you can map out where you want to be. One key point here, clarity is power. When you take the time to understand your finances inside and out, you can make more confident decisions. The importance of having a financial plan for the future becomes obvious when you start seeing how each step leads to better outcomes. Now, what does success look like for you? Everyone's definition is different. For one person, it might mean buying a home. For someone else, it might be a comfortable retirement or starting a business. Goals are what transform a financial plan from something abstract into something tangible. Setting clear, realistic goals gives you targets to aim for. It motivates you to save, invest, and make smarter financial choices. But without these goals, you're like a ship drifting at sea without a destination. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. A budget is your action plan to make sure you're living within your means while also setting aside money for your future. It helps you avoid living paycheck to paycheck and reduces financial stress. Think of your budget as your financial compass. It points you toward your goals, keeps you on track, and lets you course correct when needed. If you're skeptical, ask yourself this. Without a budget, how do you know where your money is going and whether you're making progress? Hey, I hope you're enjoying this video so far and finding the tips helpful. If you've learned something new or feel more confident about your finances, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. It's a simple way to support the channel and ensures you don't miss out on future content that could help you on your financial journey. Also, I create all of this content for free because I'm passionate about making personal finance approachable for everyone. If you'd like to show some extra support, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. Your support helps keep this channel going and means so much to me. Thank you, and now, let's get back to the video. Life is unpredictable. You might face job loss, medical expenses, or unexpected home repairs. This is where your safety net, or emergency fund, comes into play. Experts often recommend having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses set aside for emergencies. Why? Because having this buffer allows you to handle life's curveballs without going into debt or derailing your entire financial plan. It's a financial cushion that gives you peace of mind and options. The importance of having a financial plan for the future is never more apparent than when an unexpected crisis hits and you realize you're prepared. If saving is about preserving your wealth, investing is about growing it. And it's essential for long-term financial security. Whether you're investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, the goal is to make your money work for you. This is how you build wealth over time. Start small if you have to. The power of compound interest can turn modest contributions into significant returns. The earlier you start, the better off you'll be. This is why incorporating an investment strategy into your financial plan is so critical. You might think of insurance as just another expense, but it's actually a shield. Whether it's health insurance, life insurance, or disability coverage, the right policies protect you and your loved ones from financial devastation. And don't forget retirement. Relying solely on government pensions or Social Security isn't enough. Planning for retirement early gives you more time to build a substantial nest egg. Remember, retirement isn't an age, it's a number. the amount you need to sustain your lifestyle when you stop working. A financial plan isn't static. Life changes, and your plan should, too. Periodically review and adapt it as your circumstances evolve. Maybe you get a raise, have children, or decide to buy a house. Each of these life events can impact your financial strategy. Adjusting your plan keeps it relevant and effective. This ensures that you're always moving forward, regardless of what life throws at you. The importance of having a financial plan for the future can't be emphasized enough. It's not just about money. It's about security, options, and freedom. When you have a financial plan, you have a sense of control over your future. You're prepared, not panicked. So, take that first step. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your financial future transforms. Because with a plan, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you take control of your finances. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to check out my playlist on financial planning for more in-depth tips and strategies. And don't miss my latest video for even more practical insights that can help you on your financial journey. Just click on the cards on your screen to continue learning. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. See you in the next one.